Hi my friends, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to go over how to download revisions into your new ScriptE program. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so here we are in my iPad. So we're going to go up to the program ScriptE, and here I have a couple of files already. We're going to come up here to the Add button, and we're going to be adding a standalone file. All right, and here we're going to call it This Is Us episode 602. All right, then we're going to enter. And once we enter, then we have our file up there in the corner. Okay, so we're going to open it up. And we're going to come up here to revisions. So we're going to go to revisions and we're going to go to add. And we're going to call this 602 white. All right. Then you're going to swipe up, leaving it open. All right. And then you're going to go to your file, in which case I'm going to go to my mail because I downloaded these files earlier today. I'm going to go to the white file. Okay, and I'm going to save the attachment to a file that I have on my iPad. And I created a folder on my iPad called 602, and this is where we're going to save it. All right. I'm going to do the same thing with the blue, and just so that I can get them all in there. 602, save, and then let's do a pink as well. All right, so do 602, my iPad, and save. Okay, so once we've saved it, we're going to swipe up again, and we're going to go back into our ScriptE file. Oops, no, sorry, we're not going to do that. We're going to go into our file here, since we've already got it open, right? Okay, we already have it open. So now we're going to go over here to our file, and we're going to go to the white. Okay, so here's the white version. You're going to go here to the download button. You're going to go over, swipe over to your more, and then go up, or go down, I should say, down to my ScriptE program. And if you notice, again, it's not going to be showing in your imports because we haven't imported it yet. It's just going to be in the pending, all right, the pending files. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to go import. And we're going to look at it. We're going to say, yep, that's what we want to import. We're going to say done, and you're going to proceed. And if you notice over here on the left, there it is now. So now it's in our file, right? Okay, now we're going to add a new revision. So we're going to go back to revisions, and we're going to add, and we're going to call this 602 blue. Whoops, blue. All right, so now that we have it in there, we leave it open again, just swipe up, and we're going to go over here to our files that we've already downloaded. Let's go done here because that's already done. We're going to go over to our blue file. Okay, there's our 602 blue. We're going to come to the download. We're going to come over here. We're going to swipe over and go to the more, and then go down to the ScriptE. And again, now we'll see the white that's in the import because we already imported that, right? So where's the blue? We got to come over here back to our pending blue. There it is, and we're going to import it. Okay, there's the script. We're going to say done, and you want to proceed. You're going to say yes. And so now let's say okay and go done. And now we can see here blue, blue, blue. Blue is imported into our file. Let's just go and import another one. Okay, so let's go over here to our revisions. And now if you notice, we go back to our revisions. On our imported scripts, we have our white and our blue. Pending, there's nothing pending anymore. Okay, so now we're going to add another revision in our script. So here we click the add button, and we're going to call this 602 pink. 602 pink, because that's the next revision in line. Okay, so again, leave it open. You're going to swipe up. You're going to go over here to your files, and let me get rid of that. Here's my pink revision that I downloaded. There it is, pink. We're going to go done, and then, oops, we're going to go pink, and we're going to, not done, we're going to go download, and we're going to swipe over, go more, go all the way down, and then we're going to come here to the ScriptE. And again, here it is in the pending. If we go to this imported scripts, these are the ones that have been imported. This is the one that's just waiting for us to import. So we're going to click on that one, and we're going to import. Look at it again. Yep, looks good. Done. Proceed. Yep, proceed. And ScriptE has imported. Okay, you say okay, and you're done. And so now we're going to go down, and we see, okay, in our pink revisions, blue stayed for the first few scenes, and then we didn't have a pink revision until scene 3. And then blue went, and let's see, where are we on this? So blue, and then white was on 10. So basically, you know, we have all of our integrated scripts are already integrated into the script. Okay, so that's how you import a revision in a standalone file. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to add revisions to a series file. It's just pretty much the same, but a little bit different. All right, so let me show you how we do that. Okay, so here I am back in my iPad, and I'm going to show you how to download some revisions into a series file. So I'm just going to go up here to my projects, because I already have a series file started, and I'm just going to open that. Oops, sorry. I'm going to download that, and then I have to put my ID in there to bring it up, and it says okay. So here it is. This is us season 6 for a season file. All right, now up here you'll notice, and I went over how to download or create a series file in another video, and like I said, I'll link it below so you can see that. But here's the one that I downloaded 3 episodes. Okay, so now we're going to add revisions to these episodes. So you want to make sure that you are in the right one. So for example, we're going to work on 608 first. Okay, the revisions, and if you notice that it's not going to show any imported scripts when you bring it down from your projects file. So just to note that. But we've already downloaded a blue file for episode 608. So let's go to our pink file. So we're going to add, and we're going to, just like you would in a regular standalone file, but you're going to do it for each file in the series. Okay, so once you put in your title name, you're going to swipe up, you're going to come back over here, and we're going to go to episode 608, and I'm going to go to my pink revision, and we're going to go to download, swipe over, more, swipe up, and then we're going to come down here to the ScriptE. And of course, there it is in the pending. So we're going to go pink, and then we're going to import. There it is, our pink file. We're going to say done, proceed, yes, and you're going to say okay and done. Okay, so now you'll see here that the pink is integrated with the blue right there. So say now we want to do one for episode 609, same thing, but you just have to make sure that you change the episode, because you don't want to be downloading a different file into a different episode. So here we are in 609, and the next one is going to be, of course, pink 609. So we're going to go 609 pink. My keyboard is acting up a little bit, pink. And then we're going to swipe up, come over here to my files. Let's get out of here into my 609 files, episode 609, and we want pink, right? So we're going to open them up in pink, download, again, swipe over, bring up, and it's ScriptE, and there it is in the pending. And we're going to import. You're going to say okay. Import, sorry. You're going to say yes, done. Proceed, yes. And there it is, has been imported. Now, just notice that whenever you import a script in a series file, up here, you're only going to see the scripts that have been imported into that particular file. So in other words, 608 is only going to have revisions from 608. All right. It's not like before where, you know, you would go into your file and you had all these from every single episode in there. Now you can, you know, you can separate them by episode. Okay. So here's our two files for 609, and we only have one file in here for 610. Okay. Okay, my friends, so that's how you download a script into a standalone file and a series file. So I hope this has helped you, and I will be doing another video pretty soon. Now, quick question. Did you notice any continuity errors in this video? Well, if you did, you're on your toes, because I actually did this over 2 days. And there's a couple things that are changed. Now, if you want, stop the video right now and just look at me and try and remember yourself to figure out what exactly has changed. And if not, I'll tell you what it is. My glasses have changed. My shirt has changed. The window's closed. The door is closed. Just a little something to keep you on your toes. So my husband, I do this to my husband all the time. I will say, did you see what happened? He'll say, what? I said, she had a wine glass in her hand. Now she's got a croissant. He says, I didn't even see that. That's a sign of really good editing. So not to say that this is really good editing. My shirt was dirty and I had to do it in 2 days because things came up. So anyway, but I just wanted to give you a little continuity test, and you passed. So I hope, like I said, I hope this helps you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and give me a like button and let me know what you think about them. And I'll be doing some more videos really soon. Been really busy with, you know, I'm selling the house and there's a lot of stuff going on, so it's kind of hard for me to do them. But I'm going to try. I promise I will get some more out there soon. All right? Okay, so for now, hope this helps.